Hi, Aiden. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Where's Monka? Can you give Monka a kiss? Give him a kiss. Oh, good job. Can you say nice to meet you to Monka? Say nice to meet you, Monka. It's nice to meet you. How about nice to meet you, Mama? It's nice to meet you. Aw, it's nice to meet you. Can you say apple? Apple? Say apple. No? Can you say apple? Good job. Yeah. You're Gree? I don't think so.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you. Tell Monka. Ah, good job. Can you blow a kiss to the camera? Blow a kiss. Go, mwah. Can you do that? Say bye-bye.